If you've spent any time in a workshop, you know the frustration. That moment you look at a finished project, only to see those ugly, black, charred edges on a piece of wood you spent hours on. For years, we've been told that's just the cost of doing business, that the soot and the sanding are unavoidable. I've seen creators buy 3 or 4 separate machines, a diode for wood, a CO2 for acrylic, and a fiber laser for metal, just to get professional results. It's expensive, it's a space hog, and it's a workflow nightmare. What stood out to me about the WeCreat Lumos Ultra is that it's built to end that cycle. This is the world's first integrated dual laser system that combines an industrial UV laser with a high-power MOPA Fiber laser in one desktop unit. It's not just a new machine, it's a new way to work. Let's talk about that zero-char promise. The UV laser in the Lumos Ultra uses cold processing. Working at a 355 nanometer wavelength, it actually breaks molecular bonds instead of just burning them. When I saw it slice through 10mm plywood like it was butter, with zero carbonization and zero soot on the edges, I realized how much time this saves. No more sandpaper, just perfectly clean cuts, every single time. But that's only half the story. With one click in the software, you switch to the MOPA Fiber module. This is metal mastery. Unlike standard fiber lasers that only do black and white, the MOPA source gives you pulse width control. You can literally paint with light, producing over 100 vivid, stable colors on stainless steel, and deep 3D reliefs on coins that look like they came from a mint. There's also the internal crystal engraving. By swapping in the green lens, the UV laser focuses its energy inside a solid K9 crystal block without marking the surface. The level of detail is stunning, and it opens up a high-margin niche for personalized gifts that most shops can't even touch. Technically, the precision is atomic. The laser spot is just 0.0019 millimeters, which is finer than a human hair. That's how you get 16K resolution, where photo engravings look like high-def prints. And because it's a high-speed galvo system, it moves at 16,000 millimeters per second. It is incredibly fast. I know you might wonder, is a combo machine reliable? The MOPA source is a JPT industrial module, a name respected for 100,000-hour service lives. This is a production tool. Plus, the WeCreat Make It software is intuitive, with AI tools to turn text into vectors or 3D maps instantly. From a business standpoint, the Lumos Ultra saves you 50% of your workspace and roughly 35% in equipment costs compared to buying 2 separate professional units. Trusted voices like Tim Weld's and Cornelius Creations have already validated this machine, and with its 50-megapixel camera and fully enclosed safety design, it's a professional-grade setup through and through. The Lumos Ultra is live on Kickstarter right now. Super early bird deals start at $3,699, which is up to 43% off the retail price. If you're ready to stop fighting your tools and start building a high-margin business, check out the link before the early tiers sell out. This is a rare chance to get industrial tech at a price that actually fits a growing creator's budget. Check out the Lumos Ultra and see what's possible when you have the right tool for every material.